Hey friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review the newly launched Portronic sound drum, aka the Portronic POR 871. So let's move in. So hey friends, this is the box of the Portronic sound drum, and you can call it as Portronic POR 871 also. So let's check what's written on the box, then we'll move inside the box. So as you can see over here, the wireless, Bluetooth enabled, 3.5mm jack, radio FM, USB mode, built-in mic, 6 to 7 hours of playback time, 800 mAh of battery, and powerful clear voice. So some more information about the speaker, and over here also more information. So just cut the seals and move inside. The packaging is quite good. I like the black box. First, you can see you get your charging cable, your traditional charging cable, micro USB. Then you get another box. No, it's not a box. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a cover. And under that cover there is the speaker, which is quite portable. This is your user manual and your warranty card over here. So now just clean everything up and look at the speaker.
I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
Friends, this is the Portronic sound drum, aka the Portronic POR 871. So first we are going to talk about is the build quality and design of the speaker. The build quality of the speaker is just phenomenal. Considering the price, it's just super. Like, Portronic is providing you such great speakers at this price. It's just phenomenal. And you can see this is a very rugged speaker also. The whole upper part is made out of fabric, and this fabric just feels quite similar to the JBL Pulse 3, the fabric used in the bottom part of that speaker. If you haven't seen the unboxing and review of that speaker, you can see there's a card appearing over there. Just click on it, go and watch the video. And because of this fabric material, this speaker is a water resistant speaker also, for splash proof and a little bit of rain. And the bottom part is just made out of plastic, soft touch plastic, which feels also quite premium. No rough edges at all anywhere. Some more information about the speaker, and on the upper part you can see the base radiator is over here. The whole housing is made out of soft touch plastic, which feels also quite premium. And design was also, if you are my old subscriber or a old viewer, you might know that I like circular designs a lot. I've said it many times, circular designs are very compact and you can fit a lot of stuff inside that circular design also, and they feel very portable and they look quite good also. And because of that circular design, it is very compact, it's very portable. You can travel with it anywhere you want. You can just carry it in your pocket also, or you can just keep it in your bag also. This speaker is not at all heavy. This is a very portable speaker, and features wise also Portronic is having your back over here. Like, you get latest Bluetooth. This is a 10-watt speaker, waterproof speaker, a rugged waterproof speaker. The design is quite great. You can see if you open this rubber cover, as I've said, this is a waterproof speaker. You can see how thick is that. If you open this part, you can see more connectivity options, the USB port, aux input, charging port, and you get a LED indicator for the modes and the charging. And we'll just close it now. And this speaker is having a auto shutdown feature also. Like, if the speaker is inactive for 10 minutes, the speaker will shut down itself to save battery. And this speaker is having a 1800 mAh of battery, which goes up to about 6 to 6.5 hours of playback time. There are two drivers provided inside this speaker, one on this side, one on this side, and there is a passive radiator on the top, as you can see it. And now moving on to the button layout of the speaker. As you can see, this button layout looks very similar to the JBL speakers. Like, you can see there is no panel over here, nothing, just the buttons: play, pause, power on off button. You can see the first one is the power on off button, second one is the changing tracks and increase the volume, play pause button, and if you want to pick up calls, use the third button, the play pause button also only. You can see the fourth button, you can just decrease the volume or change track from that button also. The button layout is quite great. I love the way it looks. It gives quite a simplistic and a minimalistic look on the speaker, which I love. And now the buttons doesn't have any kind of rattling in the shell. They feel quite great. They are also quite ruggedly made. So now we are going to move on to the sound test of this speaker. Friends, as you can see, I've connected my Portronic sound drum with my Nexus 6P, and the name of the song is Arc. As you can see, the volume from my device is full. So now I'm going to play the song. Full. Friends, now as you have heard this speaker, now we come to a conclusion that the sound from this speaker is super loud. Like I've said, this is a 10-watt speaker, but this speaker doesn't sound like a 10-watt speaker. It's superbly loud, and this gives you a feel of a 180-degree kind of a sound. Like this has a speaker over here and a speaker over here, which are directed over here to the camera, the front side. But if you put it like this over here also, you can hear the sound properly. Or from this side, if you're sitting over this side and you want to hear some music, you can just directly see you can directly hear the sound coming out from this side. It just works like a 180-degree speaker, like the JBL Pulse 3. This is not a 360-degree but a 180-degree, because if you keep it like this, the sound will just go in this direction, not on this direction, and then that feels quite superb. And at this price you get a lot of stuff. The sound is just awesome. The bass, I think this is the bass king right now. We are going to do some comparisons. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to see some great comparisons with the music board, with the Boatstone 700. If you want to see some another comparison with this speaker, you can just write it in the comments. So now moving on to the speaker. The speaker sounds superb. The bass is massive. Like it's just not thumping, it's just vibrating like mad. You just saw how it was just moving from one place to another. I have to control it and bring it inside the frame. My god, the bass is super, and that bass radiators look so damn good. I love the way it looks. I love the way it shakes. I love the way that bass goes up and down. Like it just looks dope. And you get a great package, you get a great build quality, best design in this segment, you get best features also. So friends, if you want to buy this budget friendly portable speaker from Portronics, the links are in the description. Thank you for watching, friends. This is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the Portronics sound drum. Thank you for watching, friends.